Today we're working on the DSM, but not this DSM. It's cold. Okay, so today we're working on my neglected DSM. So it's a 95 Eagle Talon, 420 engine motor with forged internals. The last episode, which was a while ago, because the car's been neglected, we did pistons, rods. Today we're going to be doing the head install, the intake, the cam gears, the hydraulic lifters, the rockers, and cam shafts. Not in that order, but let's get to it. Hope you guys enjoy this one. There's an aftermarket manifold. And notice that the port's not lined up properly. So go a little bit more bigger on here. Make sure the port match this. Make sure you get all the dirt, all the extra shavings off. There you go. It's a lot better. Little shavings anywhere. Yeah, it's good to go. Give it a bit of Loctite. Make sure she sticks just on the tips. The spec. Okay, she's in. This is made out of a rubber, so it doesn't score up the head. Just a gasket remover. Looking at the spec, it's 17. Okay, so now the intake's done. Put on the head gasket. Make sure all the holes line up. Alright, that's a fail. I'm going to take these off. Making sure she's snug. Recommend just pretty much and tighten them. Bruh, you son of a. The torque bit that I was using to tighten down the head stud came off my extension there and ended up dropping into the oil return gallery. Make sure the head's sitting in straight. With the APR head studs, always make sure you have the APR Ultra torque. Should always apply it on the studs to give you the proper torque spec. Bam, stuff is messy. Then what you want to do also is put it on top and bottom of each washer. It's slippery as hell though. And also apply it on the bolts. Just gonna hand tighten them. You always want to start from the center. Out. Here to torque the head, always make sure you follow the sequence. Always start from the middle, out. Make sure you always find the specs for your vehicle. this torque. What I'm gonna be working on is lift adjusters. So I gotta bleed them because right now they're rock solid. Let me grab one to show you. So right now they're very, very rock solid. I can't squish them. So they should be squishy like that one there. Or you can push it in by hand. So I'm gonna be bleeding all of them out before putting them in the mortar. Some of them have a little hole at the top where you can put either a paper clip of some sort to release the valve and squish them in and out until the oil comes out. But do it that way. Like my original ones off the stock motor, they don't have that little release pin. They just have where the oil goes in, which what you can do is put on a vise and slowly squish them out. That's another way of doing it. I don't know if you can see right there. The oil coming out. So once that's done, you take her out. And she starts to get squishy. So as long as you start taking out the oil, make sure there's nothing left in there, then install them into your cylinder head. But we're just gonna lubricate these adjusters and put them into their spots, locations, galleries, I don't know, whatever. Put them in and then get onto the rockers. Okay, now we're gonna need the rockers. Now that the adjusters are on and the rockers are on, I'm going to be putting the cam gears on. So just know the position of the top dead center and cylinder 1 for your cams before installing them. Or you don't really have to, just make sure your pistons are a little bit off timing so that way the valves do not hit the pistons while I'm trying to install the cam shafts. So let's get on that and put on these caps. When installing the caps, they'll be labeled as L and R, left and right, and they'll be numbered from 1 to how many caps you have. So make sure you follow the order. I'll start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, how many cylinders you have. Most likely in this case, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side. So it would be L1, L2, L3, L4. The other side would be R1, R2, R3, R4. So make sure you put the caps on properly and in the right position and in the right order. Alright, so 107 inch-pounds. Last but not least, we're going to be installing the cam gears. I have a set of AEM True Time cam gears for my car. So let's get that installed. Okay, that's it. We're done for today. You probably won't see the next video for another couple months because, again, this is the neglected DSM. I leave it on the back burner when I don't have anything else. But I'll be doing the timing belt and slapping on that turbo. If you want to watch the first episode, you'll find it here. Or if you want to see stuff with this 96 GTS, click over here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.